Have you ever adjusted spacing in words and the old document looks off? Do you know what that is? It is because line spacing and paragraph spacing are two different things. Let's break it down.
Line spacing is the space between the lines inside a paragraph. So to adjust it, kindly select your text. Go to the Home tab. And line and paragraph spacing icon. So you can pick from the options here: 1.0, 1.15, 1.5 or 2.0, just as the options goes. So you can see how it adjusts into the different options. So these only affect the lines within a single paragraph, perfect for essays or assignments that need double spacing. So for paragraph spacing, it is the extra space before or after a paragraph. To change it, so you need to select your text and right click, because I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to go about this. Right click and go to the paragraph settings and spacing. Here you can see what is happening here. I'm increasing the options at the after, and you can see the preview how it's changing as well. So check the preview, you can see that the preview also is adjusting. So okay, you can see. So the second method, also highlight your text. So go to the paragraph settings. You can see from the Home tab. So same as the first method, you can see from the preview how it's adjusting to the options. And the third method, from the line and spacing. So this one is after the paragraph, before the paragraph. So you can see the difference. This one is just like a default. It's like a default settings. So this makes your document look cleaner by adding breathing space between paragraphs without pressing enter multiple times.
So here is the quick rule. Line spacing is a space within a paragraph, while paragraph spacing is a space around a paragraph. Get this right and your document will instantly look more professional. Hit like and subscribe for more quick word tricks.